Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments, and on this video we're gonna check Fortnite with keyboard and mouse on our Xbox Series S console. Fortnite supports keyboard and mouse input on all consoles, so what I'm gonna show you today, it should work normally on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One and the Xbox Series X and S. Today, as I said, we're gonna try it on my Xbox Series S console. Let's go! You need simply to insert the keyboard and a mouse to any USB port available on your console and the game will recognize it immediately. You can see the mouse cursor and use the Fortnite menu with keyboard and mouse like what you do on a PC. If you go to settings, you can find also mouse settings and change your mouse sensitivity. There you can also find keyboard controls where you can edit your keybinds. If you turn off the controller, the game will ask you to turn it on again. So you better turn off the vibration so the controller won't vibrate all the time during your game. You can also connect your controller to a power source so it won't turn off while you're in the game and cost you a win. Jumping into a game, the mouse and keyboard responding very good, and I believe I couldn't feel any difference with a PC. As I'm a very bad player with a controller, this is a very useful thing to do so I can enjoy the game. So let's see how I will play after a long time. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of keyboard and mouse on the Xbox. It really feels like you're sitting on a PC. So let me know, what method do you prefer? Do you use controller or do you prefer to use keyboard and mouse on Fortnite? And if you like playing with keyboard and mouse, check my list of 20 base games that support keyboard and mouse setup on a console on the video right here.